In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Ditty dash effect on TikTok. So open up TikTok on your phone and tap on the magnifying glass in the top right corner to search for Ditty dash. So type this in and then hit the search button to show Ditty dash effect. And as you can see here, we have videos that have used this effect, and at the very top here we do have the effect, so I'm just going to tap on this. Now you'll be given instructions on how to use this effect. Basically it's a game and you have this little wheel floating about in the water and you have to sing high to make the animal rise and sing low if you want to make the animal sink below. So basically we're going to hit the record button here in the middle and test this out, and that's basically all there is to using the Ditty dash effect on TikTok. Hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Until next time, peace.